here. Today we're going to talk about the law of sine.
The law of sines, as known as sine rules, can be used to find unknown length or unknown angle in any triangle. It doesn't have to be right angle triangle. So here's the sine rule. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. For any triangle here, A, B, and C are the side length, and capital A, B, and C are the angles. And as you can see, the small a and capital A are opposite to each other, so as B and capital B and C and capital C. And this rule works for any triangles. We just need a side length and its corresponding angle, and a side length to find an angle, or another angle to find a side length. So let's have a go with finding an unknown length. Let's say we have a triangle here. It's 20 degrees on top, 7 centimeters on the bottom, and 50 degrees on the bottom left, and we're trying to find what x is. So in order to find this missing length, again, we need a combo. When I refer to combo, it's a side length and its corresponding angle. So we have 20 degrees and its corresponding side length, which is 7 centimeters. So this is combo. So use our sine rule, we have 7 over sine 20 equals, another combo we have is 50 degrees and x. So it'll be x over sine 50 degrees. And from here, you just need to solve for x. Get rid of sine 50 by multiplying the other side by sine 50 degrees. And from here, you just have to chuck this in your calculator and you'll get 15.7 centimeters for your x value, correct to 1 decimal place. Let's move on to finding y value here. So we can use our combo that we used before, which is 7 over sine 20, but in order to find y, we need its corresponding angle. Since it's triangle, the sum of all the angles should be 180. So this angle can be found by taking away 20 and 50 from 180, and it'll be 110 degrees. So back to our sine rule, it'll be 7 over sine 20 equals y over sine 110 degrees. And just like what we did before, get rid of sine 110 by multiplying the other side by sine 110 degrees. And from here, put this in your calculator and you'll spit out 19.2 centimeters, correct to 1 decimal place. Next thing we're going to do is to find an unknown angle in a triangle. Back to our sine rule, it's a over sine A, b over sine B, and c over sine C, but we can flip all our fractions so that it's easier to find the angle. So it'll be sine A over A equals sine B over B and sine C over C. And now we have a triangle here, 4 centimeters on the left, 3 centimeters on the right, and we have 42 degrees on the bottom right. Let's find a one combo. So this one combo is sine A over A. So we need an angle and its corresponding side length. So we've got 4 centimeters and 42 degrees, which is corresponding to each other. So sine 42 degrees over 4 equals, to find the theta, corresponding side length is 3. So it'll be sine theta over 3. Again, get rid of denominator first by multiplying the other side by 3. So we come to sine theta is sine 42 over 4 times by 3. And from here, you can find out what sine 42 over 4 times by 3 is first, or you can just put inverse sine to the whole left-hand side. So it'll become inverse sine 42 over 4 times by 3. Don't worry, calculator will do it for you, and you'll become 30 over 1 degrees, correct to 1 decimal place. And if you want to find the other angle, let's call it alpha, you can use sine rule, but it'll be easier to use the sum of the triangle, which is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 30.1 minus 42, and it'll come to 107.9 degrees, correct to 1 decimal place.
Thank you so much for watching our videos today. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel for more math tips and materials. Study smarter, not harder with Zach.